There's one up there, Lise.
Where?
Up there. It's coming down.
What's on the top today?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Probably too many people.
I'm going to try to get him to you.
Huh? What's that?
It's hurt my arm holding it.
Get him to land on your arm. Just bring it up. He'll get on you. Oh, here comes 3 more, Lisa. You're in trouble. Dun dun dun. Oh, there he goes.
Ow! Don't fight me! Ow, don't fight!
That is awesome.
I think we're almost out of stuff, Cindy. That one bites right there. That. Uh-oh. The one that bites is... Yeah, you. Yeah, I'm talking about you.
Because I just want the food, lady. Oh! There it is. It's because she has bird hairspray. I think every single time she's been here, it's got on her head.
All right, I think we're done. Look at that one.
That one has beautiful red feathers. Oh, they're pretty. And look at that one. It's like black and red.
There's probably none on the ceiling. Look, there's red ones.
They're loud. I think they can fly.
Aaron, that one's flying through the
Here,
ceiling.
look at that one.
So fun.
I wish a bird would land on me for once.
It would be nice if a bird landed on me.
Or me.
Oh, man.
Look at its head.
One nip in your jacket.
That one, yeah. I think they like ya. Hey, look at that tongue. Oh, it's so cute. Ready? We fed him once, but my mom forgot him.
Aaron, that one's on the ceiling.
Awesome. Where?
That one's on the ceiling.
No, it just got off. Wow, that was so high. Whoa, look at where it is, guys. They really
Climb
look
down,
like
it's on the ceiling earlier.
Are you done,
Now you
Lisa?
have a pet.
it's eating my hair.
Now you have a pet.
Actually,
Every time.
it's eating your hair.
Every time. I told you she has special hairspray. Put nectar in it.
Come on, Aaron, let's go.
Ah, ear scratching. I mean it.
Stop.
Let's go, Aaron.
We done paying attention.
I think he's coming home with us, Lisa.
Oh, ow!
I think it likes you.
All right.
Sometimes they sleep
Buddy,
upside
time
down.
for you to get off.
It's a bird pet.
How about them Cleveland Browns?
Let's go.
Yeah.